Welcome back to Good Morning Colorado, 6:21 on this Thursday morning. Hope your day is off to a great start. Oh, happy Friday Eve, by the way. As for what we're monitoring right now, we've been talking about it all morning long. Some of our foggy and drizzly conditions. So a heads up for folks that are stepping outside. For those of you that are maybe going for a morning run, keep in mind that temperatures are in the 40s for some of the mountains, foothill locations. 47 right now from our Manitou Springs Neighborhood Weather Network camera. Elsewhere, we are sitting in the 30s and 40s for the mountains, with some of the 50s and 60s for the eastern plains, slightly a bit more mild for some of the far eastern plains this morning. Live HD Doppler radar showing quiet and dry conditions so far. In fact, pretty uneventful overall, but this afternoon will become much more active. Now, because we're dealing with just calm conditions currently, we only have one National Weather Service alert in effect. It's this flood warning in place for the Arkansas River at La Junta. Just be very careful and stay away from those banks, as those fast-flowing waters can be very hazardous. Throughout the morning, we'll start to see some clearing from these foggy conditions by mid-morning, giving way to just a bit of sunshine. With that added sunshine comes warmer temperatures. Also, it'll help fire off some showers and storms later this afternoon. A quarter before 2 shows some showers and storms in the mountains and the foothills. These will continue to track off to the east throughout the day. Here's a look at quarter after 4. Showers, storms possible, primarily for the northern section of Teller and El Paso counties. Keep the rain jacket and the umbrella handy, and make sure you have it with you as you step outdoors. You'll need it this afternoon as you come home from work. Here we are at 5:30. You can still see these showers and storms continuing near and along the Palmer Divide and in northern El Paso County. 8:30, a few spotty storms still possible. Some of these storms could produce some heavy rain, gusty winds, and hail. Now, because we already have saturated soil from yesterday's rain, we will have to carefully monitor the area burn scars for any flash flooding concerns. Here's a look at just how much rain we are expecting by tomorrow morning. Now, keep in mind this is just one computer model, and we look at several others. So I'm saying we could see anywhere between 1/10 of an inch to 1/2 an inch in the Colorado Springs area, and anywhere between 2/5 of an inch and a full inch in Teller County. So hopefully those numbers aren't all that much, but just a heads up, more rain possible for the Teller County area. We'll be watching for that. In Pueblo, we could see about 1/2 an inch. Highs today reaching the 70s and 80s, with some of the 80s for the eastern plains, 60s and 70s for high temperatures in the high country. Tomorrow will boost temperatures to 80 degrees and stay nice and warm over the weekend. It will be lovely for getting outdoors as summer makes a return. Monday through Wednesday, we are looking at a good amount of moisture to impact the area, so that's something that we're going to have to carefully monitor. In Pueblo, today's high temperature reaching 83 degrees, with the 90s in action Saturday and Sunday. Monday and Tuesday, all the way through Wednesday, looking very active. Over to Canyon City, it's a similar story with 80 degrees for today's high temperature, mid-80s on Friday, and partly sunny skies anticipated Saturday and Sunday, with that nice ridge of high pressure building across the area. Finally, in Teller County, we'll be in the upper 60s today, 70s Friday through Tuesday. A chance for a few spotty showers in Teller County Saturday, Sunday, but nothing overly widespread or intense. Now, coming up next, we will have your lunch forecast, talking about what to expect for those of you who are hoping to take lunch outside.
And ridge of high pressure, I think the most promising words I've heard in a while.
Isn't that beautiful? Just a certain ring to it.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
Welcome back, high pressure. Thanks, Abby.
Yep.
Now we got to check it this morning with Paul Richards at KRDO News.